Hey there, are you also experiencing the same problem as me? I've only been on my YouTube journey for about 3 months and I'm already struggling to come up with fresh and exciting content ideas. It's like hitting a wall, and it can be pretty stressful if you want to keep up with your upload schedule. Well, you are in luck because I'm here to help. I know exactly how you feel and I want to share with you some tips to avoid the dreaded writer's block and never run out of ideas again. My name is Phoebe and welcome to this video where we'll dive straight into it. Idea number 1. Do you ever find yourself struck by inspiration at random moments throughout the day? As a content creator, it's essential to keep track of these moments of inspiration, so you always have a steady flow of content ideas. Before starting your YouTube channel, you likely had an idea of what kind of content you wanted to create, whether it's beauty, gaming, vlogs, or something else you are passionate about. Whenever inspiration strikes, take note of it on a cloud-based app like OneNote, Word, Miro, or Evernote that you can access from anywhere. That way, when you are struggling to come up with content ideas, you can refer back to your list of inspirations. It's also helpful when planning your content in advance, as you can jot down multiple ideas all at once. Idea number 2. Let's chat about finding your purpose and mission for your YouTube channel. Some people are fortunate enough to have a clear idea of what they want to create content on, and they already have an audience waiting for them. By sticking to their niche, it's easier for the YouTube algorithm to match the content with potential viewers, and their channel tends to grow faster. However, if you're like me and are still figuring out your direction, don't worry, there's a solution. Think about your purpose or mission for your channel. For example, my goal is to achieving financial location, emotional and spiritual freedom, and I want to document my journey towards that goal to inspire and guide like-minded people. Every experience, challenge, frustration, and success along the way can be valuable content. So, start paying attention to your journey and write everything down. Idea number 3. Study another YouTube channel. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for your YouTube content, another thing you can do is to find inspiration within your niche. Start by researching what other creators in your niche are doing and take note of their most popular videos. This will help you identify any trends or themes that are popular within your niche. You can also look for inspiration outside of YouTube by reading blogs or following influencers in your niche on social media. It's important not to copy their content, but instead to think about how you can address specific questions that fit a specific group of audience. For instance, if you come across a great video on time management, but it doesn't address the challenge faced by busy professional parents, that could be a fantastic angle for you to make content on. If you're still struggling with content ideas, don't worry. I'll share 3 tools that will help you generate a long list of ideas and show you what's commonly searched by people. So stick with me to the end. Idea number 4. Using tools. Keywords Everywhere is a free browser extension that helps you find keywords that people are searching for on Google. It shows you the search volume. To use Keywords Everywhere, you need to install it as a browser extension. It's available for Chrome and Firefox, and it's free to download. Once you install the extension, you can use it to do keyword research. Let's say you are making a video about productivity. Go to Google and type productivity into the search bar. You will see a list of related keywords and the Keywords Everywhere box on the right-hand side of the page. You can also use Keywords Everywhere to find the terms that people also search for, and the long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that people search for. Another great free tool to use is Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a free tool that provides insight into what people are searching for on Google. It generates a list of questions and phrases that people are typing into Google search bar, which makes it easier for content creators to understand what their audience is interested in. Answer the Public provides a visualization of this data in the form of a wheel that you can explore to see related questions, prepositions, comparisons, and other related queries. To use Answer the Public, go to the website and type in a keyword related to your topic. Let's say you are scripting a video about healthy eating. Type healthy eating into the search bar and click Get Questions. Answer the Public will generate a list of questions related to healthy eating. You can click on each question to see more related questions. Quora is a question and answer website where users can ask and answer questions about any topic. It has a large community of users who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and helping others. Quora is a great resource for content creators because it provides insight into the questions people are asking about a particular topic, which can help you create content that answers those questions and provides value to your audience. To use Quora for content research, go to the website and type in a keyword related to your topic. Let's say you are creating content about digital marketing. Type digital marketing into the search bar and hit enter. Quora will generate a list of questions related to digital marketing that people are asking on the platform. You can browse through the questions to find ones that are relevant to your content. So there you have it, guys. My top tips for coming up with endless content ideas for your small YouTube channel. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure you are putting out regular content that your audience will love. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.